hello my gorgeous friends. I hope you are well. My name is Natalie. Welcome to my eating show. I went over to FedEx today, and while I was out, I figured might as well make an hour trip over to the old Cinnabon. So that's what I did. Wow. I heard something about like quantum leaping into a new dimension in the shower, and I think I've finally done it. I feel like different. Oh, you know what? Maybe because I washed my hair. Maybe because I took a shower. It could be that. Let's see what we got. Hey, where's the... Oh. They call this a cup of frosting. Excuse me, you call this a cup of frosting? That's a cup? I want, like, literally a cup. What is that, a teacup? Teaspoon? They should be embarrassed. I like this dress. Like, I thought it was pretty, and it ties at the top. It's from Shein. But, like, it's not straight. It's like, ugh. It, like, opens up top. It makes me uncomfortable. I think I should donate it after this. All right, let's see. Did they prank me and put a sausage in here or something? Is this... Oh, it is warm. Okay, I asked them to put extra frosting or icing on top of it, so they did. And I also got the cup. Call that a cup. And I saw they had a different product. Let's try it today. And they heated it up a little, I think. I don't know how. How in the span of 2 seconds did they heat it up? They called it a Churro Swirl. So we'll have to see how that, like, emotionally connects with me. Also, okay, I should get this at the ready. I love these. And now I'm going to use them for my hands, too. They might be butt wipes for babies, but adults can use them, too. I just feel like these are better than, like, hand sanitizer because it doesn't have alcohol in it. Does it actually clean your hands, though? Oh, what is it? It's water? Oh, it's only water, though. Water and grapefruit seed. All right, so maybe I do need hand sanitizer, but this, like, can be used either before or after the hand sanitizer, so you don't get sticky fingers. Okay. I want a picture with it. Whoa. Oops, I picked it up to take a thumbnail. It's dripping out of the bottom. Hold on, here we go. Mm. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love this so much. Our Father who art in heaven, creator of heaven and earth, of all, the Cinnabon, and Aunt Annie's. Thank you. Mmm. You make life worth living. This is... I need more stuff on top. Okie dokie then. The frosting I'm trying to open without getting my stinky whizzle teeth in it. Ooh, oh my god. Oops, I spit all over my... Whoa, it's all over my lips. Where are the napkins? Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. It's 5:30, oh my goodness. I've been working at home all day. and then put makeup on. And now I'm here. I need to shoot content later today. Oh goodness, this is so messy. Alright, let's try the Churro Swirl. I'm sorry, the Churro Swirl. I'm gonna dip it in here. See, this is where I shouldn't ever get a new car, because it's filthy. And it'll always be filthy. Mmm. Mmm. It's good, but it's not nearly as good as the Cinnabon. Mmm. I'm gonna put it... Such an unflattering dress. Ah. Okay. I hope you got... Yeah, I don't know. I don't really have much to report besides eat this Cinnabon baby like I was born to do it. I don't know. I just love food so much. It's my favorite thing in this world. I don't even know if I'd be happy without food. Like, if it didn't exist, would I care to participate? Look at that. Just look at that. Oh my God. Don't you love it? Wow. The line was so long there too. It took sacrifice. It took time and it took money to get this. Oh my goodness. I just want to like close my eyes and use all my 6 senses. I don't want anybody to pull up and see me making out with the Cinnabon. Only you got... Oh my God, there's frosting all over the wheel. Ugh. Cinnabon, take the wheel. Take it from my hands. You know what it is? I put a little... You know that filter on TikTok that's called light makeup? I'm trying to figure out what they were doing. I'm like, oh, there's a little, like, brown on her... on the nose. So I put a little brown on my nose, and I think that's why I look a little different. At first I liked it, now I'm not so sure. You know when you look at something for too long, you're like... At first you're like, oh, and then you're like, Oh my God, my hand's cramped up. How'd that happen? Which reminds me of Pam and Tommy. The guy had a cramped hand in it. I've been watching, last night I started watching Pam and Tommy on Hulu, I think, about Pam Anderson and Tommy Lee. But it's not a documentary, it's a TV show, but I still think it's pretty good. I think I saw the first couple episodes. Have you seen it? I wonder if it's true. Like, is that, you know how that sex tape got, you know, distributed? They portray in the TV show a specific way it happened, and I don't know if that's like the real way it happened or if they're just making it up. Actually, I wonder. Take it from my hands. Oh, the middle's the best part, right? But I do want to eat it with my hands for some reason. Oh my God. I'm looking at it. I'm watching it with you. I can't even look in the camera. It's just so good. Like, I want to watch the mukbang while I'm filming it. Is that weird? Oh. Wow. Absolutely absolutely amazing. Did you ever guys see Guy Man Train? Have you guys ever seen the TikToker that films the trains go by and he has some sort of camera on his like forehead that makes his face look so freaking funny?
It's been flipping bonkers recently, so I've decided to come to my hometown and do what I love most, and that's chasing quarry trains. Just gonna jump down to here. It's so ominous coming up the tunnel like this. Oh my god!
I want that for myself for Disney World. I love this. Like, this is exactly how I love this camera distortion. I love it so much. Like, the kid doesn't look like that. Oh my god. I saw, this is so tragic, this 14-year-old boy died in Orlando on one of the rides, one of the ones that goes up and down. It's actually in the background of some of the photos that I took when I did the photo shoot with Fee and Reflective Imagery. That is so sad. He fell out of the ride. I think it said he was 6'5" and like 300 something pounds, and I think it said that he didn't get strapped in. And it also said that, like, everybody gets scared on the rides, right? But I guess he said to his friend, like, I don't know, dude. I don't know if I'm going to make it. If I don't, please tell my mom and daddy that I love them. So I think he knew. That ride is so scary. We went on that at Busch Gardens. Like, that's always my thought, that the ride, that you're going to fall out or the ride's going to malfunction. Ugh. I'm so sorry. That's so terrible. And you never know when you're going to go. That's why I'm here eating Cinnabon. This is a messy one, huh? Oh. Like my nails? Oh my god. Yeah, this is freaking delicious. I don't think I'm gonna finish the churro one. There's hair stuck to my thumb. See the hair stuck to my thumb? Now it's stuck to my middle finger. Take it from... Oh, here's the middle. The middle! Oh! Oh my god, I just washed my hair! Oops. You guys, it's so crazy, the power of thought. Like, it's actually really scary. There's just been so many instances recently where my thoughts have guided, like, the real things that have happened. You know, your thoughts manifest your reality or something like that. It's amazing. So keep that in mind. Keep your thoughts pure. What? I have to go for a nap after this. Do you think if you ate this, you'd be like really energized? Because it has sugar that makes people energized, and it has carbs. Probably be good food to eat before a big run. This is the end. This is what's left. It's kind of like an end piece. I think I'm actually done. Good thing I have my butt wipes with me. Okay, so I wiped it with the napkins. I just want to see if my new technique's gonna work out. And I take out a couple wipies. Wipe the steering wheel. My car actually has like, there's like white film over the steering wheel and over the side of the car and everything. Because part of it is my makeup and part of it is my sunscreen. So that just gets everywhere. Oh, this is wonderful. It's like when you go to a restaurant and they're like, moist towelette. Wow, look at this upgraded experience here. It's just sugar granules under my fingernails. But I can get it out with my... Ew, that really looks disgusting. Now that I said what I said before. Wow, anyway, yum. That was a craving that I had for a while. And they also have pretzels, you know, how they often have like the pretzels and the, what's this called? Cinnabon together. So, but I didn't want to get both right now, but I will, but the next time I quantum leap, next time, or what's this? There's something under my nail. Okay, I'll get pretzels. Yeah. Anyway, I didn't want pretzels today, but maybe another time soon I will. So thank you so much for watching this video and hanging out with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to know when's the last time you've had Cinnabon. Thank God I have these wipies. And oh gosh. Yeah. Oh, did I get it in my hair? No, definitely not. Definitely still don't have to wash it for another week. Of course. Okay, no. Anyway, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.